phone repair a good business to start in 2024? Absolutely, 100%. And we're going to go over 5 reasons why. Also, keep in mind, below this video are a lot of links to different things that I give away for free, resources and all of that, and information about us. Remember, we do online training and in-person training in Philadelphia. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to open a repair business, yes, we teach the business side and actually how to repair. You can do that online with our business bundle, or you can actually attend an in-person training in Philadelphia. All right, so number 1 reason why, yes, opening a cell phone repair business is a good idea in 2024 is because it's AI proof. So there is a lot of chatter about AI and automation taking jobs. Well, we are far, far, far away from a computer or a robot fixing someone's phone when they walk into a local repair shop. Let's just be honest. So if that's something that you are in tune with and you're keeping up with in the news, this business is definitely for you, because this is years, probably decade or more. I don't even know, because I just couldn't. From what's out there, I mean, having a customer walk in with a random repair and the bot having to figure that out and fix it, we're so far away from that. And then that being cost effective, okay? So we're far away from that. Number 2, it has a low startup cost. So, hey, we've got some inflation going on, and people aren't getting those checks anymore. So if you're looking to start a business and you don't have a ton of money to start, repair is the business for you. You can start with a couple $100s, invest in a good course like we have, and learn everything you need to learn and slowly start. Repair each device, save your money, and then reinvest it into, parts and tools, or saving up for a location. And if you have money to invest, it's a low startup investment. If you want to go right into a location, it's all about finding the right location. And through our course, we teach you all of that, so then you don't waste money and end up in the wrong location. But it's not like if you were opening like a restaurant or something. Like, you don't need $100,000 to start a repair business. And again, look below, because there's a lot of resources about how to start your business, and all of it's free. You can download it. But you're looking at just a couple $1,000s if you want to start a basic location. Now, if you want to have, 500 devices in stock, which I don't think you'd need right out the gate anyways, then yeah, you would be investing more money. But you can start with the bare basics, order as needed, and grow, right? So low startup cost. 3, it is recession-proof and lockdown-proof. During COVID, repair shops soared in business. It was absolutely an amazing time for us. And it will always be that way. It doesn't matter if we're in a recession. Your business may get a little slow, but it won't completely come to a dead halt, because no matter what, people need those things fixed. And they're always looking for new ones as well. And a lot of people like used devices. Not everybody goes to the carrier to get their device. 4, you can start with basic repairs, right? So like screens, batteries, charge ports, frames, cameras. Then there is a huge ability to grow your skill set in this industry. There are so many things that you can do in the repair industry. You can go into micro soldering, you can get IPC certified and work with companies outside of the industry. You can go into screen refurbing and refurbish screens for other shops in the industry. You can get into data recovery and work with your local police department. There is so much that you can do in this industry besides changing a battery in a screen, okay? And so you just start, and then you grow as you go. It's really an amazing industry, and so much opportunity to make amazing money. And then last but not least, you can bring your family in on it. So if you're someone that has, children or siblings or just family that you also want them to do better, right? You want them to have more. This business is going to be around for a long time. And it's not an online business, it's a local business. So the longer you're open, the more the community, you become a common name in the community. And so this is something that you can have for decades to come. So you can bring your family in on this. So yes, self-repair is a great business to start in 2024. Stop waiting. If you've been looking at these videos for a long time and you've always been on the fence about it, it's time to get off the darn fence and open your business. CellBotics is the right place to start. I hope to see you in our online program or in our course in person.